Rainstorm hit out of nowhere. This glamorous girl's RV life is about to unfold an unexpected healing journey. What's the perfect companion for a rainy day? A cup of black coffee plus hot pot. This is how you do RV life right. Sunshine after the rain, nature is the best SPA. What did this girl find in the woods that made her so excited? Who says the life we yearn for is hard to achieve? This girl found her own poetry and distant horizons with just an RV. A fairy tale crystal clear pond. Can she really have this stunning view all to herself?